While the teacher lectures, Elena is sitting at a desk dozing off.
In rhetoric, a rhetorical device is a technique that an author speaks.
Avery taps Elena on the shoulder and she sits up. Avery points to Leah, who's holding up a poster for Valentine's Day. Elena rolls her eyes. Leah points to Noah. Elena turns and looks at him. She smiles, sighs, and stares. Elena opens her notebook, and the page is filled with doodles of Noah's name. She draws a heart and fills it with Elena plus Noah.
Elena, can you tell me the specific rhetorical device that the author used?
Elena continues to doodle.
Elena, are you listening to me?
Elena jerks her head back and looks confused.
Elena, please pay attention. You're saved by the bell. Let's talk about this tomorrow. Please focus next time. Class dismissed.
The students leave the classroom. Elena and Leah are walking in the hallway.
Are you going to ask Noah out?
What are you talking about?
Stop playing. Don't try to pretend you don't know. I saw what you were drawing in your notebook.
Elena stops and drops her head down.
Fine, you caught me. I like Noah. So what?
Come on. You've been into him since middle school.
They both laugh.
Seriously, you gotta ask him out.
Noah walks up to a nearby locker and opens it. Leah points to him.
Look, there he is. Go ask him.
No way.
He's alone. It's the perfect time.
Leah pushes Elena towards Noah. Elena starts moving slowly toward him. Just before Elena reaches Noah, Amy walks up to him. Elena stops.
Hey Noah, you free tomorrow night?
Sure. Why?
I heard the drive-in theater is reopening. You want to come?
I'm not sure right now, Amy. I'll let you know later.
Elena walks back to Leah with a disappointed face.
Did he say no?
No, I was too late. Someone came up and asked him out. He said he'd think about it.
So what? He didn't say yes, Elena. Go ask him out.
Amy walks away from Noah. Leah pushes Elena towards him.
There's your chance. If you don't ask him out, then Amy's gonna get him, and you're gonna lose your chance forever.
Elena walks up to Noah as he starts to close his locker.
Hey Noah, what's up?
Elena, how you been? We haven't talked in forever.
It's been a while. Hey, I was wondering if you wanted to go out sometime.
Sorry, Amy's my girlfriend. I don't go out with other girls.
Oh, alright then. I'll see you later.
Noah leaves. Elena stands there as Leah walks up.
So, how did it go? Did he say yes?
Elena looks down and shakes her head.
No, he's only going out with Amy. She's his girlfriend.
Well, you do know that couples break up all the time.
So what? Noah seems pretty serious about this relationship.
Look, they will break up at some point, and you need to be in Noah's life when it happens.
We hardly ever see each other.
Maybe there's a way you can get closer to him. He is literally failing biology. You are super smart. So, you should tutor him.
Noah is sitting in the library at a table looking through a textbook. Elena walks up to him.
Oh, hey Elena. Sorry about what happened earlier. It's just that Amy's my girlfriend.
I understand, but I'm not here about that. I heard you weren't doing well in biology. Is that right?
How did you know?
My friend Leah has the same class with you. She overheard the teacher talking to you.
She's right. It's not going so well.
I can help you. We could study together, or I could tutor you if you want.
Oh, cool. I've been meaning to look for a tutor for a while now, but it would be great to have you help me.
Great. When do you want to start?
I wouldn't mind starting now. I just want to pass.
Elena sits down next to Noah, and they start flipping through books.
Okay, so what do you know about DNA structures?
According to the teacher, nothing.
Alright then, let's start at the beginning.
Noah looks down and takes out his phone. We see a text from Amy.
Focus, Noah. We don't have much time until the next test.
Something urgent just came up. I gotta go. It's important.
Noah rushes to pick up his stuff, then leaves. As soon as he's gone...
So much for getting closer to him.
A moment later, Elena gets a text. We see a text from Leah. Elena responds. Elena wrinkles her brow. She packs up her stuff and leaves. Noah arrives in Colt Court and sees a crowd. Amy steps out of it and walks up to him.
Noah, I just got into a fight with Daisy. She's so rude.
What do you mean? What did she do to you?
She accused me of dating her boyfriend Luke, then she shoved me.
What happened next?
I couldn't let her get away with that, so I pushed her down. Just as we were about to punch each other, we heard the teacher was coming, so we left.
Why did she accuse you?
She saw me asking her boyfriend something and thought I was flirting with him. That girl is crazy.
Are you okay?
I need to rest for a bit.
What can I do to help?
Nothing now. I think I'm just gonna call my mom so she can pick me up.
In another part of Colt Court, Elena finds Leah in the crowd.
You just missed the fight.
Who was fighting?
Amy and Daisy. Because Daisy caught Amy flirting with Luke.
Are you serious? Amy's Noah's girlfriend.
I know, but everyone knows how Amy is. I saw them holding hands in the hallway.
Noah walks up to the girls and turns to Elena.
I'm sorry I had to leave so fast. Amy had an emergency and needed me.
Yeah, I saw the fight.
That girl Daisy really is crazy. She thinks Amy was flirting with Luke.
She does more than flirting. I saw them holding hands. Amy is the crazy one.
Amy would never do that. I can't believe you would say that.
Noah, I'm sorry you're so upset. Let's put off tutoring till tomorrow.
I don't need help from anyone accusing Amy of cheating on me. I'll find another tutor.
Noah just storms off.
Wait, I didn't say anything about Amy.
Noah ignores her as he leaves. Elena turns to Leah.
Why'd you have to say that to him? Now I'll never get a date with him.
I'm so sorry.
I need to be alone right now.
Elena runs off. Leah follows Elena in the hallway and grabs her arm to stop her.
Elena, listen! Noah has to know the truth.
But you didn't have to tell him.
You would have wanted to know the truth if you were in his position, right?
Yeah, but not from a friend's friend. It's not fair to him. Now he won't talk to me. It's all your fault. Leah, just leave.
Whatever. You'll never understand.
Leah walks away, leaving Elena alone in the hallway. Noah walks up to his friend Jose, giving him a bro hug.
Bro, did you hear the rumors about Amy?
What rumors? Amy said they're all false. So stop accusing her.
I was just asking a question. Jeez.
Jose looks behind Noah and sees Amy pecking Luke on the lips.
Dude, you might want to turn around.
Noah turns around and sees Amy kissing Luke. He storms up to them.
So, the rumors are true. You cheater.
Amy pushes Luke away and tries to hug Noah.
No, Noah, I swear I didn't. He convinced me. It's all his fault. I didn't do anything.
No, we are breaking up. We are over. You lied to my face and made me look dumb. I stood up for you, Amy, and this is what I get? Goodbye.
Noah shoves Amy away. She tries to hold on, but Noah is too strong. Noah walks away.
Noah, wait. I didn't mean it. It meant nothing to me. Come back. I love you so much.
People start to gather around Amy.
Noah, please, I need you. I can't be without you.
Noah is walking and ignores everyone who waves at him. Elena walks up to him and smiles.
Hi, Noah. Good morning.
Hi, Elena. I can't talk right now.
Is everything okay?
No, Elena. Leave me alone.
Leah overhears Noah's response to Elena and goes up to him.
You don't have to be rude. She's just concerned.
Noah rushes off.
Ah, gosh, why did I do that? She probably hates me now.
Noah runs his hand through his hair and continues walking. Noah sees Jose at his locker and goes up to him.
Yo, dude, what's up? How are you feeling about, yesterday?
Can we not? Not today, Jose.
Elena walks by the boys and drops her binder near them. She bends down and picks it up, flipping her hair back as she stands.
Damn. I like Elena. I should ask her out. She's pretty hot.
Jose, don't talk about her like that. She's way more than just hot.
Jose turns around to face Noah.
What the? You like Elena? You were such a player. Noah, how can you move on so fast? You only broke up with Amy yesterday.
Noah scoffs and looks away.
Bruh, no. I don't like her.
Jose closes his locker and they start walking.
So you don't mind me flirting with her?
No. I mean... Don't mess with her, Jose. Leave her alone.
Noah and Jose enter the classroom and see Elena sitting with Leah. Jose immediately points to Elena.
Yo, look. It's my girl.
Jose walks up to Elena.
Elena, what's up, babe?
Elena looks confused.
Jose, what's up with you? I'm not your babe.
Just kidding. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm better now since I'm talking to you.
Jose looks at Noah and smirks. Noah rolls his eyes and sits at his desk. Noah walks out and sees Elena walking toward a bus. He rushes up to her.
Wait, Elena! I wanted to say sorry about the other day. About the whole Amy situation. I should have listened to you.
He's totally fine, Noah. You had the right to be upset.
Yeah, but that still didn't give me the right to be rude to you. I'm really sorry. You were just trying to help.
Elena starts to get on the bus.
Sorry, Noah. I really have to go, or I'll miss my ride home.
Why don't you let me give you a ride home?
Elena steps off the bus.
Are you serious?
Yes, and maybe we can pick up the tutoring where we left off.
They walk off as Elena smiles broadly.